In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. We're going to set up the official Microsoft Teams add-on inside Google Calendar so you can generate Teams meeting links without leaving your calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account you use for scheduling. Using the right profile here prevents permission mismatches later. On the right-hand side of Calendar, look for the vertical toolbar and click the small plus icon. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you add trusted apps to extend Calendar. If that panel looks collapsed, hover to expand it. If you don't see the plus icon at all, your organization may have restricted Marketplace access, and you'll need admin approval before you can continue. In the Marketplace search bar, type Teams. From the results, select Microsoft Teams Meeting. Open the listing to review the details and confirm you're choosing the official integration. You can glance at the publisher information and the permission summary so you know exactly what the add-on can access. Click Install. Google will show a permissions page explaining what access is required to connect Calendar with Teams, such as viewing events to add conferencing details. Review and continue to grant access. Some organizations enforce admin approval. If you see that notice, wait for approval. When installation completes, click Done. Back in Calendar, the Microsoft Teams icon should now appear on the side panel. Next, click Authorize. This links the add-on to your Microsoft account so it can create secure Teams meeting links for your events. A new window will open. If you use multiple accounts, pick the Microsoft Work or School account tied to Teams so the integration points to the right tenant. Click Sign In and follow the prompts. Approve the requested permissions and complete any organization checks that appear. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the sign-in window can open. When sign-in is successful, you'll see confirmation in the panel and the Teams add-on will be ready. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now integrated with Microsoft Teams. This doesn't move your events anywhere. It simply lets you add Teams conferencing details to the events you already create in Google Calendar. If something doesn't show up right away, refresh Calendar. Using the correct Google and Microsoft accounts, keeping pop-ups enabled, and checking with your admin if Marketplace access is restricted will resolve most issues. Enjoy scheduling Microsoft Teams meetings directly from Google Calendar.